Please stand by for an important message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, Chambers County in southeastern Texas, until 12:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado near Beach City. Doppler radar detected this tornado moving east-southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Harris County, Fort Worth County, and Chambers County. If you are in the path of this tornado, take immediate tornado precautions now. This tornado will not be able to be seen due to heavy rain covering this tornado. This is an emergency situation. This is an extremely powerful tornado with complete devastation likely. Houses will be leveled beyond recognition. You may be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows so, move to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado. Seek shelter now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Texas, Harris, Fort Worth, and Chambers.